What if the US-EU trade deal falls through? Let's break it down. As of now, European officials are working around an August 1st deadline. If no deal is reached, US tariffs on EU goods may rise to 30%. The EU has pre-approved retaliatory measures covering around 93 to 100 billion euros worth of US exports. That includes aircraft, agricultural goods, and medical items. All of it could be hit with tariffs if negotiations fail. But despite the challenges, both sides continue to negotiate. Earlier plans suggested a 15% baseline tariff similar to the US-Japan terms, but steel remains firmly at 50%. A deal still looks possible, but it will depend on whether both parties can find common ground. France's Macron and Germany's Merz are coordinating their strategies in Berlin. EU Trade Chief Šefčovič says a 30% tariff could virtually halt transatlantic trade, making diplomacy crucial. Even luxury titan Bernard Arnault is mediating talks between US and European leaders to avert escalation. An EU law allows limiting American participation in public contracts under anti-coercion rules if needed. If no deal, EU farmers, tech firms and car makers may confront higher US tariffs. US exporters also risk facing new EU levies across aviation, agriculture, and consumer goods. So as the deadline approaches, Europe is preparing for disruption, but keeping the talks open. A deal with modest tariffs would benefit both sides. But if it fails, we could see a costly trade standoff. Stay tuned as we follow up. For more on global trade and the economy delivered simply, follow our channel. To trade the market, click on the brokers in the description.